The next topic is about MED, multi-exit discriminator, or metric, as we are going to set in route maps. And this is a little tricky because this is not going to be used as an exit attribute. This is going to be used as an inbound attribute. That means I'm telling the neighbor to select this path to reach to my networks that I have advertised into BGP. So for this, I have created a neighborship between router 1 and router 3 using the frame relay interface. And I have created two loopback interfaces on router 1, and I have advertised them into BGP table. So if I go to router 1 and try to check show IPBGP exit, you can see that I have 1111 and 1112 as the networks that I have originated and advertised into BGP table. Now I want the other networks to reach to this through one specific the path that I have in my mind. So let's go to router 1, and first of all I want to create a route map that matches these two networks. First I need to have access list, or no, IP prefix list is better idea. I have a prefix list and the name is loopbacks BGP, and the sequence 5 is gonna permit 1110/24, and sequence 10 is gonna permit 1112/0. So a route map is going to be created using the set med name. I name it set med, and permit 10 is going to match IP address prefix list loopbacks BGP. Anything that is matched with this is going to have a metric of, for example, 1 million. And other routes are not gonna change. Okay, now I have I want to go and select one input or one inbound path. I want to make sure that anything that comes in, any traffic that comes in to reach to this, comes from this fast Ethernet interface. That means the neighbor R2 is going to be selected for the path that any traffic passes through that to reach to me. So I will go and assign this metric to router 3. So let's go to router 1, and on router BGP 16 router BGP 16 for neighbor 10.0.1.2.3.3, I assign this route map set med, and this time instead of making this inbound, I'm going to make it outbound. Now clearing IPBGP neighbors softly. If I go to router 3 and try to see IPBGP table, I can see some of the routes have a metric of 1 million. This means that I'm not going to select this path to reach to router 1. Instead, I will go through switch 2 to reach it. So if I go to router 1 and remove this route map and clear the IPBGP table again and go to switch router 3 and see the routes again, you can see that no, I need to clear it here as well. Clear IPBGP neighbors softly and show IPBGP again. Again, you can see that the neighbors have this much of metrics assigned, and this is not removed yet, although I have removed the metric here. I guess it needs some time to update its BGP table, and that's it. Now you can see that I'm going to prefer the frame relay interface to go to reach to these networks. So the metric attribute is going to be used to decide which input interface I'm going to select for my the traffic that is destined to me. So that's it.